welcome back to Sunshine and Sparkles. This is Aishwarya. So today I'll be sharing with you this look right here, which is the Haldi makeup look or any kind of party look. If you think that you're gonna wear yellow or you're gonna wear, something of the yellowish tone colored things. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video.
दुनिया दी सैर ते गोरी तेनू नाल ले जा आजा आजा नी एक वारी आजा डोली च तेनू नाल ले जा.
So for the first product, I'm going to use this moisturizer from Smashbox, and this is the Vitamin Glow. So let's take that on our fingers and start applying it. This will give a radiant glow to your face because it has vitamin C in it. Just take this all over your face, your forehead, your nose, each and every place of your face. This also acts as a little bit of the primer, but we are still going to use a primer, and for that I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime stick. So let's apply that. Starting from the nose, apply generously. Moving on to the cheeks. We want this, the pores on our face are generally based on the middle part. So priming that area is really essential. We can go also to the forehead and especially the T-zone, because that is where the light actually falls on your face. So it can't conceal the pores. So let's massage this bit. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to use this from Bobbi Brown, and this is their Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation SPF 15 in Warm Honey. So let's apply this. Taking it at the back of my hand, I'm just going to take a kabuki brush, pat it in it and start, blending it all over my face. So I'm dotting parts of my face so that I cover, most of my part with foundation, and then I start, patting it really well and start spreading it out. Spread it as much as you can. Ensure that no spots are left so that your face looks completely even. So as you can see, my face is completely blended. Next, using a concealer to hide all those dark spots, I'm just going to take this concealer from Sugar, and this is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in 30 Chocochino. So I'm not going to use too much of the concealer, just little bits on the dark areas like my under eyes, the area around my mouth, a few of the blemishes. Now I'm going to take the same kabuki brush that I used earlier for the foundation and start blending this out. So we have concealed almost each and every part of our face, as you can see, that was dark enough. Now we'll move on to baking, and for that I'm going to take the Revolution baking powder in Banana. These are the areas that we really need to bake. So keeping that aside now and leaving that on my face for the next 5 minutes, I'm going to bronze up my face till then. So to bronze my face, I'm going to use this bronzer from Physicians Formula, and this is their Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronzer. So taking that on a contour brush, I am just going to start blending this in. So that is it. We are again going to take the same brush that we used to just bake our face, and we just remove the excess. There we have it, a face that is completely baked and contoured. Next, to add in a flush of color, I'm going to use the Smashbox Cali Kissed blush palette, and I'm going to take a very deep pink shade. So let's do that. Now this is for the face. Let's move on to the eyes now. So for the eyes, I'm going to use this palette from Huda Beauty, and this is the Sand Haze palette. In that, I'm going to take this dark shade right here. Pack the lid with that color as much as you can to give it a really opaque look. Next, taking a blending brush, I am going to dip into this light shade right here, and I'm going to just blend the outer corners of this shade so that I get a really beautiful ombre effect. As you can see, we have a really beautiful ombre effect going on here, and this is what I love about it. Next, moving to the shimmer shades, I'm going to take this golden right here, there's golden, and start applying this. This is how it should look after applying the color. Ouch. Next, taking a glitter, I'm going to use this from Lit, and this is their glitter in Champagne Wishes. So we are going to take a little bit of the clear glue on the lid, on the middle of the lid generally, and we are going to dip a flat brush into the glitter, tap off the excess, and just apply it wherever I put glue. As you can see, this looks really beautiful. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to take a brown liner, because we want to keep it really subtle, and this is from Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner, and we are going to draw a liner, maybe a wing. Let's see. So if you ever think that you've messed up with the liner in the corners, do not worry. What you can do is just take the concealer and a very small flat brush, dip the end of that flat brush into a concealer, look into the mirror and see where you've gone wrong with it, and just apply a straight line against it, just like that, as you can see. Next, using a pencil that is from Maybelline, and this is the Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in Glazed Toffee, I'm just going to go through my waterline a little bit and smoke it out to give it a really good effect. So that is how it should look like. Taking a flat brush, all I'm going to do is start blending this out so that it gives a smoked out effect, and that looks really good. Next, let's move on to the mascara and the falsies. So for the mascara, I'm going to use this from L'Oreal, and this is their Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is waterproof and hydrofuge as well, so it does not, dehydrate your lashes and doesn't make it look cakey and stays long as forever. So I'm done with the mascara. Now I'm going to use the falsies, and these are from Huda Beauty, and they are their Giselle lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes because they, give a very voluminous look, as well as they, are very light. So as you can see, this is giving such a dreamy look right now altogether. Next, let's move on to the lipstick, and for that I'm going to take this lipstick from Ofra, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Tuscany. So let's apply this now. So this is how the lipstick looks like, and it looks really beautiful. Next, moving on to the highlighter, we're going to keep this minimal. So I'm going to use this highlighter, this liquid highlighter from NYX, and this is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Gleam. So taking that on my finger, all I'm going to do is start, placing it right here. Final look, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, do not forget to like this video, comment down below and share this with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. Also, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat. The link is mentioned right here, so do not forget to follow me everywhere the more you can. This is me signing off. Bye.